What's up, folks? Welcome back. I'm over here in the Mojave Desert. I was traveling home on the 15 southbound and I decided to do something a little different, something out of the norm, something I'd never done before. I've seen a whole bunch of abandoned places on the side of the freeway, so I exit the freeway so that way we could take a look at some. This is obviously an abandoned gas station or an auto service station right behind me. Check it out. This thing is basically just a shell nowadays. It's about 100 degrees out here right now, and I'm sure this is a cool day for this structure right here. But as you can see, very much abandoned, dilapidated. Birds, the pigeons, live here. Pretty freaking hot and interesting. This area right here would have been the garage. And we're gonna walk over there into the garage because there's some stuff in there to see that's pretty interesting. Some old artifacts, remnants of yesterday. Looks like there's an old control panel, AC unit. And one thing that's pretty interesting are the doors. Just like what you would have seen in the 1970s movie. And who knows how long this has been here. Gross. And this area would have been the office. And let's go around the corner since we're rolling. We're going to keep this rolling. I believe these are the restrooms. Yep, sure thing. Look at that. Okay, I better back away because it smells really bad. And I'm sure the second restroom is going to be just as bad. But we have to see, right? Okay. On the ground, there's a bunch of concrete that's been broken apart. Pretty interesting, and this isn't it. I'm gonna go elsewhere. Look at this. I'm gonna keep on traveling down the freeway and see if I can find some other abandoned places. I passed a couple already, so I'm gonna try not to pass any more because history lays upon everywhere you go, such as this area right here. It's a foundation. Some old stairs, it looks like. It could have been a wall. I'm not sure what that is. If you can see it because the darn sun. Anyways, here's the gas station. Alrighty, so now it's time to move on. Just down the street from the service station is this abandoned, once upon a time, general store. I'm gonna go over there and check this out. General store, tools, hardware, toys, 99-cent items. What's down here? Absolutely nothing. Oh, just an old piece of pipe. But we're gonna actually go into the store now. Another shell, basically. Alrighty, here I am at my next destination, which is another abandoned gas station, except this one looks much more like a gas station. Check it out. This is where the pumps used to be, and right next to that is the actual service station itself. Very much abandoned today, very tagged up, and seen better days. We are going in. Inside, hopefully there's nobody in here. Anybody here? You have to watch where you're stepping. Look at this floor. Very much disgusting. And as you can see, it's a Tagger's Paradise as well. I'm pretty much standing in the service garage. That is, there's the back side of the service station. As you can see, there's some remains of a fire that once happened here. Hey birdies, the only thing around here are the birds. Upon further searching the grounds over here, I found some old remnants. Could have been part of gas pumps as well, maybe the base of the gas pumps. I have not a clue on what this used to be. Look at this. There's actually like 6 of them, all lined up in a row. Let's see what's going on over here. I'm sure it's open. Open for business. Ooh. Looks pretty good actually. I'm very surprised that this is intact still. Look at this. This is, I guess, a little office over here in this little shed type of building. Okay, what else is there? What else is there? What's right here next to me? Storage, looks like. And right over here, what is this? Maybe a light, perhaps? Look at that, the old sign. So this actually goes down and underneath the ground. No telling what's under there. Here's something pretty cool just down a ways from the gas station, the abandoned gas station. It's not an abandoned building, but this abandoned tanker. Look at this. What's cool is that you could actually open this door and get inside. But I think I just saw somebody on the property. They may have seen me, so I'm not going to touch anything. There's the interior of this old tanker. Hillside, I'm not even sure, Van Lines Company. Van Lines Company. Never heard that before. Look at this guy. Poor dude. There's got to be somebody out there that's going to get this up and going. Look what I found just down the ways. I was wondering why I was seeing a whole bunch of trucks carrying tanks. They were traveling down this street with tanks on the back of the trailer, and just down the ways, here's my answer. I'm now at my final destination next to this mobile home unit. It's an abandoned one, obviously, and next to that are a couple of more mobile home units, but the reason why I'm really here is to see the abandoned boat. Alright, I'm a bit freaked out now because I just heard something or someone in that mobile home unit. Not sure. I'm over here working my way slowly to the boat just to check that out. Alright, it's time to go on up. Kind of reminds me of something from Gilligan's Island. Alrighty everyone, that's going to conclude this vlog. I appreciate you all watching. Once again, I'm over here in the Mojave Desert to show you some abandoned places. I really hope you all find this vlog entertaining. I know it's something a little different than what I normally post. It's not Ontario or Upland related, but it's still somewhat of a history vlog. Really hope you all enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button. I'm Jerry James with Ontario History Vlogs, reminding you to live, learn, and to explore. Until the next time, see ya!